You know, over the years we see so many situations, and some of them are unusual situations. I often wonder when I'm dealing with a client who's had surgery, they come to see me in the office, and oftentimes I am a little fearful for them driving to my office and from my office, because I know they've had surgery. It might be neck surgery, it might be back surgery. I know they're in traffic, and things happen in traffic. Accidents happen, and occasionally we do have cases where there has been a trauma inflicted actually on the site of a prior procedure. Recently I had a client who had a knee procedure, and the procedure was fairly recent. They were in traffic, they were struck in the rear of the vehicle, they were propelled forward. There wasn't a great deal of damage to their car, but they were propelled forward, and their knee, lo and behold, struck the dashboard right where the doctor had done the surgery. And so in cases like this, generally this is what a lawyer would refer to as an aggravation of a pre-existing condition, but it presents special challenges because in a case like that, it's now necessary to go back and understand the original presenting problem, what the surgeon did to correct it, how it might now be complicated by this new trauma inflicted on the surgical site, how that might complicate the underlying condition, how that might prolong the recovery period, how that is going to add to a client's the misery of recuperation, the long period of recuperation. And so it's important when trauma occurs that the experienced accident attorney really understand what was there before, how it might have been made worse, what that means for the client, the consequences for that client and his or her life, ability to be able to use that particular joint. And all of that goes into a good presentation so that that client can obtain a fair result in court.